You're watching Code 3 Rewind. Real footage, no filters. Was this justified? Drop your take in the comments. And help me hit 1,000 subs. Subscribe now and say I'm in below.
I just heard some banging there. Dallas police! How you doing? Where is he?
Yeah, but didn't have medicals.
Okay, Donde is Martin?
He's already, but he has to, he's won't kill
Come outside.
himself.
Come outside. It's okay. Come on outside.
He won't kill himself.
Hey, Martin!
No, you guys finished already, and I'm done with this shit.
Martin!
I'm done with this shit.
How you doing? Put it down! Put it down!
Martin, drop the fucking knife!
Put it down, Martin! Drop the knife! Drop the knife!
Drop the fucking
Drop
knife!
it!
Drop it
Drop the
now!
knife!
Drop it now!
Ma'am, come out here! Ma'am, come out here! Who else is in the house? Who else is in the house? Come over here!
Come here now! Come here!
He's okay.
Who else is in the house?
Who else is in the house?
No one.
Just you two?
Where's the knife?
Police, don't move! Let me see your head! Hey, back up, back up. Back up, back up, back up! Tase him again.